See the moon? Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. Though my camera is not so perfect, but the sky is looking so beautiful with this moon and I want to capture it. But I can't. But in my eyes, this is the one of the best experience of my life and I'm enjoying it. Though our life is very stressful in every day, but still we have one hope, just like moon. The next day is going to be better. So be happy, be positive. Everything gonna be alright. Nature will help you to go through this, all of this struggle. Be happy. This is my first voice record, though I'm trying my best to share with you the nature vibes and positive vibes, cause everyone is disrupted or mm, very disturbed by this daily struggle. So be happy. Everything's gonna alright. Bye.